And now for our first creation, we'll make a 2-balloon dog. With this, we'll be using two 260s. I've chosen an ivory silk, which I've inflated, leaving about a 7-inch tail. And then a 260 mocha brown, which I've inflated about 10 inches, 10 to 11 inches. We won't be using the entirety of it. And on this particular one, I've cut the nozzle off. I cut a lot of my nozzles off just to make the sculptures look a little bit cleaner. It's not required, that's just a personal preference. We'll start with our mocha, twist about a 4 to 4.5 inch bubble. Make sure you hold on to it. Then we're going to make about a 1/2 inch bubble here. Make that into an ear twist. Now we'll need another 4-inch bubble, same size as the first. And trim this excess off. Tie the end. And then I'll clean it up by trimming what's left over off. We're going to save this scrap of the end here. We'll use that in a moment. And this will set aside. And we'll get ready for our 260 ivory for the second one. First, let's take our scrap. I'm going to go off camera for a moment. I'm going to suck a bubble on the end of it. You can use whatever technique you like to put a little bubble in the end. Then we'll take and tie these two together. Tie the little bubble onto the nozzle end. Then we'll trim our excess off. Squeeze it, make sure it's kind of soft. Now we'll want to make about a 3-inch bubble, followed by about an 1.5 inch bubble, a little 1/2 inch bubble, which we're now going to make into an ear twist. Now another 1.5 inch bubble. And you'll want this one to be the same size as that one, so these two are the same. And then we'll need another 3-inch bubble, roughly the same size as that one. Now to grab your nose, twist all of that around a time or two, and then tuck your nose back up through the middle. That will help your nose stay upright in a moment. Now, twist this midsection together. Bring your leftover up along this. Twist another bubble about the same size as those, and twist this into the middle of our head. This will be our head. There's your head. And every now and then kind of squeeze it and work it down. Twist about a 1-inch bubble for a neck. Then we're going to make 2 legs about 1 inch long. Twist those two together. And then to secure it, I'll make about a 1/2 inch bubble here. And then make a very small ear twist, which will rest on top of the shoulders. Make about an 1.5 inch body. 2 more little 1-inch legs. Twist those together. Then make another 1/2 inch bubble. We'll twist that into an ear twist as well. And what this does, this not only makes him a little cuter by the way he stands, it also makes him where he doesn't come apart as easily. Now we'll take our first balloon that we made. This will be our ears. Come from behind the head. Bring the 2 ears in front. Twist them over. Move one to either side. Then bring your ivory silk ear twist centered up on top like that. Your other one is in the back like that. And give your ears a little bit of shaping. Take your Sharpie. This happens to be a clickable Sharpie. Give it some eyes, mouth, and if you want you can even add some freckles to make it extra cute there, however you like, your choice. And we have our cute little 2-balloon dog there.